Right. Today we are going to start about the electrolysis. Electrolysis. Electrolysis is nothing but the process of chemical decomposition. The process of chemical decomposition. The process of chemical decomposition of an electrolyte. Of an electrolyte by passage of electric current through its solution. Electric current through its solution is called electrolysis. Or we can write chemical change chemical change is nothing but oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction occurring at electrodes when electric current is passed through electrolyte solution. When electric current is passed through electrolytic solution is called electrolysis. For example, here NaCl, when it bonded, ionic bond formed between NaCl, Na and here Cl. This is Na, sodium and chlorine. Now Na will have positive and chlorine has negative. Okay, in this both the strong electrostatic attraction force between these both ions. Strong electrolytic attraction force. So this is electrolyte. This is electrolyte. Okay. So obviously it can produce a Cl minus. And here it produces Na plus, sodium cation. Na plus, this is sodium cation. Okay. Now it's gain one electron and it form Na. sodium. From where it gain the electron? From cathode. Cathode, obviously, that is a negative charge. From negative charge, it gain the electrons and it can form Na. And here, so chlorine, it can give the electron to the anode and it form neutral Cl that will occur at anode. Okay. Electrolyte is nothing but simple. The process of chemical decomposition of electrolyte by passage of electric current. By passage of electric current through the solution is called electrolysis. So for example, here we are taking NaCl, molten NaCl. So solid NaCls are bad conductor of electricity. If you take molten NaCl or liquid NaCl, those are solutions only can pass the electricity. This is a cathode, we are assuming cathode and negative, and this one is anode, positive. Okay. This NaCl, it can split as a Na plus and Cl minus in the presence of electricity. When we pass the electricity through into the solution, so it can split as a Na plus and Cl minus, right? So when the decomposition takes place in electrolyte, that is called electrolysis. Passes of current through into the electrolyte, it produces ions, that is called electrolysis. So here sodium ions are obviously positive. So the positive ions are moves towards the cathode and negative ions are moves towards the anode. Okay. These positive ions will gain the electrons from cathode and it forms neutral sodium atom, and chlorine negative ions will give the electrons to the anode and it can form neutral atom. Okay. Now copy this one. Shall I remove this? Okay, I am removing this one. Next, keep the heading electrolyte. Electrolyte and strong electrolyte, weak electrolyte, these all we are going to discuss now. Non-electrolyte. Okay. Right. And now heading is electrolyte. Electrolyte is nothing but a chemical compound. A chemical compound in the fused state. A chemical compound in the fused state. Fused state are in aqueous solution. Are in aqueous solution which conduct electricity, which conduct electricity at the same time, which conduct electricity at the same time, undergoes chemical decomposition. At the same time undergoes chemical decomposition. Undergoes chemical decomposition is called electrolyte. Is called electrolyte. Example aqueous solution of all acids aqueous solution of all acids and bases. Aqueous solution of all acids and bases are fused or aqueous solution of ionic compound. Fused or aqueous solution of ionic compounds. Aqueous solution of ionic compounds. Aqueous solution is nothing but which are dissolved in the water. That all are called aqueous solution. For example, dilute HCl, concentrated also HCl and H2SO4 and NaOH, etc. And fused are aqueous solution of ionic compounds. Ionic compounds, for example, fused NaCl, NaCl infused or aqueous NaCl, etc. Okay. And next in this strong electrolyte. Electrolyte is nothing but a chemical decomposition, a chemical compound in the fused state or aqueous solution which conduct electricity. That all are called electrolyte. Fused means a molten state, amma. Not only liquid, not only solid. For example, it will be like toothpaste. It will be like toothpaste. That is called fused state. Semi-solid we can call it. Fused is nothing but semi-solid. Okay. Semi-solid. Okay, and next one, strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte. Okay. Strong electrolyte means the electrolytes which allow the electrolyte this is dilute HCl. Dilute or concentrated. Dilute HCl. The electrolyte which allow large amount of current. Large amount of current. The electrolyte which allow large amount of current of flow through them. Which allow the large amount of current. They are good conductors of electricity. They are good conductors of electricity. They are good conductors of electricity. Are called strong electrolytes. Are called strong electrolytes. Okay, and here note. The strong electrolyte in fused state the strong electrolyte in fused state of an aqueous solution, fused state of in aqueous solution are almost aqueous solution are almost completely dissociated, almost completely dissociated. Dissociation is nothing but decomposition. So the ionic or fused compounds are almost completely dissociated. That's why these are strong electrolytes. So it can pass the large amount of electricity through into them. Dissociated and hence their ions are free to move in any direction. Their ions are free to move any direction. Ions are free to move any direction. Okay. Examples I will give. Write this one. Strong electrolyte is nothing but the electrolytes which allow the large amount of current throw into them. So they are good conductors of electricity. And fused state or aqueous solution of these ionic compounds are completely dissociation takes place. That's why the free ions move in any direction. So that is the reason they can pass large amount of current. Okay, I am removing this one. And next examples for strong electrolytes. Examples: aqueous solution of mineral acids. Examples: aqueous solution of mineral acids. Okay, and next one, aqueous solution of alkaline. Mineral acids is nothing but example: HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, etc. Aqueous solution of alkalis means bases. Aqueous solution of alkalis. Here KOH and NaOH, etc. And next, ionic salts of strong acids. Ionic salts of strong acids. Example here, lead bromide. This is in fused state. And CuSO4, copper sulfate solution. And NaCl solution, etc. Okay. Ionic salts of strong acids. Ionic salts of strong acids is nothing but when the strong acids are react with there should be strong acids. When the strong acids are react with bases, that is called ionic salts of strong acids. Actually here, acid plus base base equal to salt and water amount. Acid plus base equal to salt and water. Okay. That means here example acid HCl, I am taking base NaOH. It gives salt, that is NaCl and H2O. Okay. Na? Now here these acids are, when the strong acids react with bases, when strong acid react with the bases, that is called acidic salts. Acidic salts, right? How we can find the strong acids? HCl and HNO3 and H2SO4. These are strong acids. Okay. So it can form HBr also. HBr also strong acid only. So when HBr, here Br, this is strong acid. It came from the strong acid, and H2SO4. The copper sulfate is nothing but it came from H2SO4. And next is Cl, HCl. That's why this is ionic salts of strong acids are good conductors of electricity. These are called strong electrolytes. Okay. I hope everyone understood this one. Shall I remove this page? Okay, this is second page and this is first page. Second page. Class start అయినాక 10-15 minutes వస్తే ఎట్లా మా class కి. And this is the third page. And next one, weak electrolytes. Weak electrolytes. Now in weak electrolytes is nothing but the electrolyte which very small amount of the electrolyte which very small amount of current, small amount of current to flow small amount of current to flow through them. This is phloem, FLOW. Flow through them, THO. And hence are poor conductor of electricity. Hence are poor conductor of electricity. Poor conductor of electricity are called weak electrolytes. Are called weak electrolytes. Okay. Here note, important note. Weak electrolytes means the weak electrolytes in fused state. The weak electrolytes in fused state. The weak electrolytes in fused state are aqueous solution. Are aqueous solution are partially dissociated or dissociated partially dissociated. They contain partial ions. They contain partially ions. Okay. Here examples. Examples for weak electrolytes are aqueous solution of acids. Aqueous solution of acids except mineral acids. Aqueous solution of acids that are called carbonic acid H2CO3, sulfurous acid H2SO3, and next to formic acid HCOOH, acetic acid also CH3COOH, etc. This is carbonic acid, sulfurous acid, formic acid, acetic acid. And next aqueous solution of bases. Aqueous solution of bases. The two weak bases only. Examples are copper hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide NH4OH, etc. In strong electrolytes we can write bases also. That is NaOH, KOH. One see here. In strong electrolyte we can write the bases also. Here example. Aqueous solution of strong bases. Aqueous solution of strong bases. రాసుకోండి ఒకసారి. Aqueous solution of strong bases. Examples are NaOH, KOH, etc. Okay, NaOH, KOH are good conductors of electricity. That's why that is strong electrolytes. And here aqueous solution of bases. And next to aqueous solution of salts of strong alkali. Aqueous solution of salts of strong alkalis. And weak acids. And weak acids. And strong alkalis and weak acids. Example Na2CO3 solution. Na2CO3 solution. And next to NaHCO3 solution. Sodium hydrogen carbonate solution. Etc. Okay, these are weak electrolytes which do not undergo the complete dissociation. Which undergo the completely dissociation, that are strong electrolytes. Which do not undergo the completely dissociation, that are weak electrolytes. Okay. Today we discussed only less thing. What are those? The first one, electrolysis definition. The process of chemical decomposition of an electrolyte by passage of electric current. Okay. or the chemical change occurs, oxidation and reduction occurring electrode are called electrolysis. Okay, now this is the example NaCl, the formation of NaCl. This is the electrolyte solution, and it produces Na plus ion. It can form it most near to the cathode, and chlorine most near to the anode. And next, electrolyte, a chemical compound in the fused state or aqueous solution which conduct electricity. At the same time undergoes the chemical decomposition is called electrolyte. Okay, these are examples of electrolytes. And in electrolyte, strong electrolyte and weak electrolytes. Okay, which allow the large amount of current is called strong electrolytes, and which allow the small amount of current is called weak electrolytes. Okay, these are examples for weak electrolytes. Next, non-electrolytes. Shall I remove this? Everyone, non-electrolytes. Okay, keep the heading non-electrolytes. This will discuss tomorrow about the non-electrolytes. Tomorrow onwards, I will start exactly 6 a.m. I will wait only 1 or 2 minutes.